क्या बोलना है?
जो पोजीशन गवर्नमेंट बुक का
और आपका एफएसएल रिपोर्ट नहीं आएगा तो आदमी जेल में रहेगा क्या?
So in this case, 3 persons were apprehended by the police, and the FIR that killed the 15 months.
यस।
The petitioner is Subhash Kumar Sharma. I have stated in the FIR that brown sugar has been recovered from him. That is 2.24. That comes with a packet of small quantity. So whereas in this case, charge sheet has already been submitted as would be apparent from the order sheet.
एंटीसीडेंट है।
Many Himalayan have already stated at para 14 of the petition. And para 15 had stated that I'm in custody except 1/11/2023. Para 40 with 50.
चैट हैज बीन फ्री।
No, my lord, charge sheet has been filed. That is the knowledge.
Heard the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner submits that एक स्मॉल क्वांटिटी है, कौन सी क्वांटिटी?
Small quantity within 5 grams, 2.24 grams of it.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that 2.24 grams of brown sugar is alleged to have been recovered from the possession of the petitioner. Charge sheet has been submitted, but cognizance could not be taken as the for want of FSL report.
Assessment.
And the petitioner is in custody since
1/11/2025.
1/11/2025. He has stated that the petitioner has no criminal antecedent, as has been mentioned in paragraph 14 of the data. क्या बोलना है?
जो पोजीशन गवर्नमेंट बुक का
और आपका एफएसएल रिपोर्ट नहीं आएगा तो आदमी जेल में रहेगा क्या? Counsel for the state has opposed the prayer and has submitted that there is recovery from the possession of the petition. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, his court finds that only 2.24 gram of brown sugar has been recovered from the possession of the alleged to have been recovered from the possession of the petitioner. But the case is not proceeding for want of FSC. And the petitioner is in custody since 1/11/2025. And as per paragraph 14, the petitioner has no criminal antecedent. In view of the aforesaid personal circumstances, the petitioner is directed to be enlarged on bail with the following condition: A, the learned trial court shall call for the criminal antecedent report of the petitioner, and if any antecedent is found, the petitioner shall not be released on the end. The counsel for the state is directed to communicate the product to the concerned laboratory from where the FSI report. Thus, the counsel for the state is directed to communicate this order to the concerned laboratory from where the FSL report is awaited. It is expected that the concerned laboratory shall take expeditious steps for forwarding the FSC report to the concerned. ये सब का कंप्लायंस ठीक किया, आप अपने पद बढ़िया से रखिए।
बहुत